That could have gone better, but I don't think it would have.
Watcher.
Not with Whitehill. Oh, fuck
Now
yeah,
listen
kid.
up. None of those guards can live long enough to light that beacon. Because if they do, this invasion gets a whole lot fucking harder. Don't drop that.
Sweet telescope.
We'll need to take those two out first. Is that a harpy?
Of course it is. Those golden tits are everywhere in this bloody city. If those guards light the rope, the fire travels up to the bowl, and the whole city will know we're here.
So we stop them.
Aye.
How many men do you think are in there?
Hard to know for sure. At least 5, maybe more. To answer your question, too many to fight head on.
Come on, let's get moving.
Brian the hard ass.
Beska.
It's nothing. Just forget it.
Focus. We have to move. This mission won't wait for us.
You're right. Sorry.
I'll take him.
I've got the other one.
Just keep an eye on her.
I don't need him to watch me.
Hey, prove it.
What have you heard?
Just sit outside the gates waiting.
Mother of Dragons. She wants to scare us, but she won't do it.
Nice. Hey Jago, how are you?
We'll split up. One group will go high and try to climb over to the other side.
What about them?
That's why someone needs to stay down here. They get behind cover and shoot the men up top. Just don't let that one see you. So, which'll it be?
I'll climb the wall.
We'll go over the top. You just make sure you clear the way.
Why am I making the decisions now? Nice.
Hear that?
Hardcore parkour.
This Khaleesi calls herself the breaker of chains.
I think Croft got the easy job.
What happened? Not important. Keep moving. Quick, the guards on the roof.
We'll take care of it.
I'll get rid of them.
Got it. Go.
Okay. Did this just become Assassin's Creed? Sort of.
No, it's too much.
What?
It's too much, you'll ruin it.
I know what I
Doesn't look like you do.
Oh my god.
Rat.
You say something? Well,
I said you're a little rat. Why are you laughing?
nothing. Just keep doing your best.
We want to make sure that they're locked in.
You in here.
I hope Croft's not dead. Hey, buddy.
All clear down there?
Woo.
Hey, you listening to me?
Yeah. This is Assassin's Creed now. Or at least Shadow of Mordor.
They're still up there. On the right. Take them out, and you'll be clear to secure the beacon. They break through. I'll keep them busy.
I don't know. Maybe you're right. Croft might die.
We can finish this. Just look at them. 2 men. We've dealt with worse. Let's rush them and be done with it.
What about them?
You afraid of a couple of crossbows? We took on the Lost Legion by ourselves.
We stick to Croft's plan. Take care of them first.
Don't do it.
All right.
We stick to the plan, honey. Crossbows are loud.
Hey! Get them!
Oh, shit.
Light the beacon! Stop them!
Don't light the beacon.
Well, hello.
Asher, look out!
Light it! Light it!
Go! Stop him!
I don't think so, bro. Oh no, 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 no!
Cut the fuse!
Woo!
The torch!
Ah, he's going to light the beacon!
Beskar!
All out!
Come at me, bro.
Oh, I can't believe you did it.
Croft!
Croft!
Quit your whimpering. I'm not dead yet.
Hear that?
It's starting.
Our job here is done. Well, not here. In Marine.
Home at last. Back at High Point, I wasn't sure your brother would survive the day.
He nearly didn't.
I was terrified when you called Lud's bluff, but you knew exactly what you were doing. And now Ryan will be coming home. He'll sleep in his bed, eat at our table. He'll be right here, where he belongs.
We'll celebrate once Ryan has returned safely. We still need to make the trade.
You're right, of course. Still, you did well today. Don't lose sight of that.
My lord, look!
Where are the guards?
Oh no. Did they betray us?
Dahlia? Sir Ryland!
Where are the Glenmores?
Where's anybody?
Bolton.
Wait here.
Come on. Don't be so dreary. It was a joke.
I'm sorry, I should have laughed.
Or maybe you think you can do better.
Of course not. I didn't mean to offend you.
Perhaps a song instead. I hear you've written a touching song about your dead brother.
Oh no.
Am I in it? Let's hear it, shall we?
No,
No.
I won't.
I want you to sing, Talia.
Roderick!
Roderick! Welcome back.
Lord Ramsay, welcome to Ironrath.
How courteous. Now I know where your sister gets her manners. We've had a lovely time together. Haven't we, Talia? Say it. Say it's been lovely.
It's been lovely.
And you. I'm told you're a man who can't be broken. I've decided to come see for myself.
Wait.
Ethan was the first Forrester I killed. Doesn't have to be the last.
You don't know what you're in for, Garrett. What you're asking my brother to do. The North Grove isn't what you think it is.
Justice was for Marine to deliver, not you.
But we did as you commanded!
These aren't sellswords, Asher. They're killers.
Roderick!
I can't believe I trusted him.
I know you and your brother were in contact. Perhaps he told you things. Things that might prove his guilt. Perhaps you're not to be trusted either.
Oh, you're not listening, Garrett.
Shh.
That was abrupt. I was waiting for something to happen. Ramsay should be flayed. I don't know. Ramsay... I mean, House Bolton... Their sigil is the flayed man, so... I'm sure he's flayed a few people. Wow. Okay, so let's go through our decisions for this episode. Yeah. Me and 90% brought Finn. I don't know why you wouldn't, honestly. Me and 38.5% showed mercy to Griff. Okay. Once again, I'm a part of the minority. It might look like I intentionally try to make the decisions of the minority. It's totally unintentional. I kind of try to become someone who would be in in the story of, you know, A Song of Ice and Fire. So I try to put myself in their shoes, kind of. We can't continue, Nate. We have to wait probably like two months. Probably 6 to 8 weeks for the next one. I missed Hidden Loot. You and 85.2% kept Sarah's secret. Yeah, I don't want to give her secret away. I really want to keep Sarah loyal to us. You and 71% ordered the Glenmore soldiers to remain at Ironrath, which is a good decision because obviously they're there to help you, and if you can get betrothed to oh gosh, I don't remember her name, but Ms. Glenmore, Lady Glenmore, I think that would be good for the Forresters. And you and 25% allowed Beska to kill the slave master. It looks like we're going to be paying the ultimate price for that decision. I think it's 100% confirmed I would die very quickly in the Game of Thrones world. Possibly, Luna. I mean, the odds are not ever in your favor. Yeah, 6 to 8 weeks. Like, a month and a half to 2 months. 1K, Nate. People suck at not allowing Beska to kill Slave Master. I mean, technically, you probably shouldn't have, because obviously Daenerys is a whiny bitch, and she wants to do everything her way, and she's just gonna make him pay anyway. I don't want to put any spoilers out there for those of you who haven't seen the show or read the books. Yeah, that guy got a quick, clean death. For those of you watching on YouTube, I want to thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I can't wait to see what happens in the next one. Until then, stay tuned.